On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram not sending SMS code. So if you have this problem, this video is gonna help you a lot. First thing you wanna do is open the settings on your phone, go to the apps like this, open the apps, search for Instagram app like this. Now this is the app informations page as you can see right here. Or what you want to do here is click on the storage or the internal storage option. Now this click on clear cache and then click on clear data, and then all this app data will be deleted. This includes all files, settings, accounts, databases, etc. Click delete and that's it. Go back. Now click on notifications management. Disable the notifications and enable them again. And now restart your phone and reopen Instagram. Don't forget to like, subscribe.